Hi Ludmila, I'm David. I hope you are doing very well. Nice to meet you. So we can start with Fusion 360 initial sketch for create a simple rocket in setup lane. Okay, we start with a line, construction line, like this for 90 degrees line. Okay, perfect. About 119 millimeters. Okay, and second we can use a speed line, yeah, from here to here. Okay, second we can use these controls for make this or control this sketch, this line. All right, something like that. Okay, create the form of the rocket, the body of the rocket, the noise of rocket. Okay, a simple sketch. Okay, and then closed the sketch. All right, but close with a 180 degrees, a perfect line, and close the sketch. Okay, perfect. We can create a bezel, yeah, or a little curve here, like 3 millimeters or 4, something like that. Or okay, perfect. And then this is our sketch, initial sketch for next step revolution. All right, this line is a construction line for revolution. So, and then we create another line for close the sketch. This is a requirement of Fusion. Okay, finish the sketch. We turn off the canvas, and then okay, perfect. So next step, revolution for this plane, and this is a profile, this is an edge, set a edge, and let's go. This is a noise of rocket and body of rocket, a simple sketch. Okay, the second body we can create is a fins or landing legs for the rocket. Okay, we start with another sketch. We can turn off the first body. Okay, perfect. We start with these fins. Okay, something like that. A line from here and other way, and create another speed line for this curve. Oh, sorry, excuse me. No, another point control speed line. Yeah, this is a better tool for create some points. It's not necessary have perfect, yeah, because in the next step we can control these points for make the figure, make something like that, kind of. Okay, finish and finish like that. Okay, always I try to close the sketches. Okay, perfect. And we can control this type of points. Okay, yes, something like that. create this form. All right. Yeah, perfect. It's very simple. It's I have been several years using this program, using this type of tool, so it's easy to me. Yeah, create and use these tools. A fit line or a speed line. Okay, something like that. All simple. Yeah, perfect. All right. This is a fins landing leg of the rocket, so we can extrude this sketch. So turn on the body, and then we can extrude this. Okay, turn off the canvas and extrude for I don't know, 5 millimeters. The new body is a, it's a nice type. Okay, nice fin. Okay, perfect. And then we can create a pattern or yeah, circular pattern of this body, or copy the body, and this is our edge or fill. Yeah, this is our reference, this circle. Okay, and then all right, we can create 5 or 4 or 5 this type or something like that. I think it's very well for. Okay, perfect. And allow. Okay, perfect. This is a noise of rocket, body of rocket, the fins or landing legs, and we can create a simple nozzle or a rocket engine from here. Extrude this something like that for I don't know, 5 or 6 millimeters. Yeah, yeah. New body, of course, and then we can create a thicken for this body for the engine. Okay. Uh, oh, sorry. We start with this. This is a with this tool we can create a thicken. Yeah, or create this something like that. Okay, and this is a simple sketch of a rocket. We can put names of every body. This is a one body, body rocket. This is a second body. The second body we created pins or landing leg. Pins 1 and pins, oh sorry, pin 1. Okay, and this is a second pins, third and 4. All right, I think we can use a group, create a group. or sorry, or no, we can describe another type of names. Okay, fins to only for clearly the objects. All right, the boss, the sketches, and all the body. Do not confuse. Fins for. Okay, perfect. And the last one is the engine. Okay, rocket engine. Let's go. And this is a simple rocket using this program. This is a step by step. First, I put a canvas in this plane. Second, I create the first sketch. Is that something like that? This sketch is for a revolution. Third, create a pins or landing legs. Extrude, something like that. If I want it, I put a bezel or yeah, a curve, yeah, a little curve or something like that for decoration, little details, but over. Okay. And the last one, yeah, create a pattern for these pins, and the last one, create this extrude cylinder for engine, something like that. And all right, this is a simple rocket. I know all these type of tools is the same tools of it's the same tools of free 3D. I use solid tools or Maya, yeah, another tool that I use this tool for all kind of bodies and pieces. Okay,